Welcome to the fourth lecture in our series. We've explored the linguistic and technical foundations of English-Urdu translation. Now we turn to the heart of it all, data. Without it, even the most advanced algorithms cannot translate a single sentence. Modern translation systems, especially neural networks, learn by example. The more examples they have, and the more diverse and accurate those examples are, the better they perform. For English-Urdu, where resources are limited compared to languages like English-French, the quality and quantity of data make all the difference. The English-Urdu data landscape. We begin with what's available. 1. Parallel corpora. Collections like Emily, Opus, and the IIT Bombay datasets give us around 2 to 3 million English-Urdu sentence pairs. 1. It's decent, but not close to high-resource languages. 2. Monolingual corpora. While English has virtually unlimited data, Urdu has far less, 290 million words in the largest known corpus, mostly from news or religious texts. 3. Lexical resources. Bilingual dictionaries, terminology databases, and tools like Urdu Word-Avec are helpful, but inconsistent and incomplete. What's missing? Data from technical, medical, and everyday conversation. Most datasets focus on news and formal writing. Translation tools trained on them may work well for news articles, but falter with chat messages or hospital instructions. Why quality matters. It's not just about having data, it's about having the right data. 1. Misaligned translations. 2. Inconsistent scripts or fonts. 3. Mixed English and Urdu in the same sentence, code switching. 4. Literal but unnatural language, translation ease. Noisy data can hurt more than help. That's why quality filtering and curation are essential before training a model. Where new data comes from to bridge the gap, researchers and developers are building data through 1. Web crawling. Extracting translations from bilingual websites, news portals, and government content. 2. Crowdsourcing. Engaging volunteers and translators to build or correct datasets. 3. Academic and institutional partnerships. Universities, NGOs, and governments contributing aligned documents. 4. Professional commissioning. Paying for domain-specific translations. Each method has its trade-offs: cost, speed, quality, and coverage. Preparing and cleaning data raw text needs work. 1. Normalize scripts and spelling. 2. Handle diacritics and punctuation. 3. Segment sentences correctly. 4. Tokenize words and subwords. Special attention is needed for Urdu's connected script and gendered grammar. One study showed that careful tokenization alone improved translation scores by over 2 billion points, stretching the data we have. When you don't have enough data, you get creative. 1. Back translation. Translate Urdu monolingual text into English, then pair it with the original Urdu as synthetic training data. 2. Cross-lingual transfer. Use Hindi or Persian as pivots due to their similarity with Urdu. 3. Augmentation. Create paraphrases, substitute synonyms, and generate sentence variations. 4. Unsupervised learning. Train systems using only monolingual data through techniques like denoising and language modeling. These methods make small datasets work harder and smarter. Building for specific needs. General models are useful, but domain-specific datasets are powerful. 1. Healthcare. Translate instructions, symptoms, or consent forms. 2. Legal. Ensure contracts retain exact meaning. 3. Education. Align textbooks and curriculum materials. 4. Conversational systems. Teach models to handle slang, politeness, and real-life dialogue. Even a few thousand domain-specific sentence pairs can dramatically improve performance if carefully curated and fine-tuned. Managing data responsibly. Collecting data brings responsibilities. 1. Privacy. Remove personal information, especially in healthcare or legal texts. 2. Licensing. Respect copyrights and share data with appropriate permissions. 3. Bias and representation. Avoid overrepresenting one dialect or group. 4. Cultural sensitivity. Be aware of religious and political implications. Ethical data practices build trust and ensure broader usefulness. Conclusion and what's next. Data is the lifeblood of translation systems. For English-Urdu, building, cleaning, and enriching data is as important as building the algorithms themselves. From crawling to crowdsourcing, from tokenization to augmentation, we have powerful tools, but we must use them wisely. In our next lecture, we'll explore neural translation architectures, how transformers and other models actually learn to translate, and how they can be optimized for English-Urdu. Until then, keep questioning, keep building, and keep bridging worlds.